Lucky for me and a big man had a chance to go and do a bit carp fishing down our local lake. So we threw the gear in a van and made our way. We went to the Pines Lake, which is part of the Great Linford fishery complex, and has a good head of carp, which meant a good chance of catching. So we had a good bit of father-son bonding time, and we caught some carp. And you know what? It was a great evening, and it was priceless. This is how we got on. We're down at the Pines Lake, down at Great Linford Fishery. It's a great little lake. There's about 110 or so carp in here, ranging up to just breaking the 30 barrier. And some beautiful koi, but it's a koi around 22, which is really, really nice if you catch it. I'm keeping it really, really simple. I've come down with my boy for the night. He's already had a couple of roach out. How are we fishing it? Well, it's simple. We've got a pop-up at the back, a PVA bag, and I've got a pop-up on the right-hand side, PVA bag. I've got the citrus at the back one side, and on the right-hand side I've got, I believe, the salty squid pop-up. So, we've both gone for pink on both sides, because I heard that the pink buoy works really, really well down here. So we've got them sitting on the standard system, and I'm baiting it up, just keeping a few freebies. I'm just putting lots of, I've got a nice mixture of hemp, corn, and a few old boilies thrown in there. I'm just pinging them out around the back. So I'm fishing tight off the right-hand margin, probably about, which is about 8.5 wraps to it, and fishing tight off the back, which is like an island that goes right round, again 8.5 wraps. So with a bit of luck, I've only been down there for an hour. We've seen the reeds and rushes splashing around. We've seen a couple of shows to the left-hand side, so hopefully with a bit of luck we'll put a couple of carp out this evening and we'll be able to show you them. So fingers crossed. The big man himself, JC's had a couple of little roach out, just maggot feeding out the front. This is going to relax, have a bit of lunch. Fingers crossed, as the darkness kicks in, we'll catch a couple of carp. Past 12 at night, and after a long awaited, I've been seeing this carp wash everywhere. I was finally rewarded with this. It was really worth the wait. This stuff in, done in an 18-pound mirror. It's been a bit feisty still. It's a bit very feisty still. Still got a lot of fish. How about that? Beautiful. Park Farm, Pines Mirror. Just short of 18 pound. I'm very happy. There you go. Let's get it back. Just. It's always at night. There's never anyone take a picture. Beautiful. So, back out, I decided to go for bottom bait instead. I think I've gone from the sticky krill pop-up and decided to go back down to a pineapple and banana bottom bait mainline. And just this little bugger, very long, it's just off 19 pounds, but very dense, very long. I love a long common. There you are. Oh. There we go, people. A long common. Fine. Very happy. That's number 2. I'm hoping it can keep going. chuffed again. Happy days. Put the front on. A little bit of lip damage, but generally he's in good condition. So happy days. Brilliant. Let's get him back and catch some more.
Unfortunately, there was no more takes, no more action that night. Whether or not it's because we were fishing quite tight and the disturbance of the other carp had stirred it up and put the others off, we don't know. But we was eager to go, and as we got up, we was anticipating more runs, and we was not disappointed. Happy days.
Early morning now. It's about 5 o'clock, and a screamer on. And it's a lovely little common. It's only about 15, 16 pounds, which is surprising because it's quite fat, but it is what it is. I'm very happy. Very happy with him. Because he's a minter, pristine fish. There he is. Oh, a little fatty. Yes. Pristine, common, fine. Off the reeds again, absolutely stunning. Really, really pleased with him. Little face on. Got a little mini belly on him. Again. There we go. There we go. That's better. Very happy. Let's get him away. It's a great little evening. It's a little night here. Let's pop him back. See if we can steal another. So here we are again. This is number 4. Just over 14 pounds. Not big, but again, extremely pretty and really welcome. Oh, still got a lot of fight on it now, these fish. They come in and then they just burn off. And once they get in, they don't play ball. There we go. There we go. Beautiful mirror. 14 pound pines. Great Linford complex. So far it's number 4. I've had a 19, an 18, 16, now 14. Hopefully I'll get a bit bigger before I go. I've got a couple of hours left, fingers crossed. Yeah, but super chuffed, honestly. Bloody chuffed. Put him back. This is what I'm using. It's a pineapple and banana mainline, and that seems to what's doing the trick. Since I've changed over, I mean, I had citrus on, a few things like that, and weren't getting no interest. I was also using some sticky krill, had the wine on that. Since I put these on, it just went mad. So I've had, like say, the other all four carp, well, there's 5 in total, 4 being on these. And the mad thing is, so after the first 1 or 2 I noticed it was happening, I put them on both rods, and one was literally 2-3 metres apart from each other, baited exactly the same, but for some reason the standard old school hair rig on the helicopter system, that's the one that's going. But what seems to be happening, but they had the more modern one with the bait screw on, it's just not doing anything. So I don't know whether that's having some play, but how close it's to shank, I don't really know, but it's just an interesting sort of thing that seems to be happening down here. Also, what I need to add is whenever we put the carp in, I do film section it, but I do stop. So when we stop, we check the carp over for any marks, lesions, or any sort of sign of damage. And what we do, all we have to do is apply some of this. Do some carp care or fish care. It's a very simple thing. You dry off the area, you spray it on, and it creates like a waterproof bandage, which sort of plaster, as it were, which helps the fish sort of, which will help the carp recover. And prevent any sort of more damage or any disease or anything or infection. Just helps clean it up. So, for the sake of about £5, all anglers should have this. Carp anglers, match anglers, anyone really. It doesn't hurt. So if you see any damage on a fish, you check both sides, check around the mouth, give it a little spray. Sometimes when you're taking hook out, give it a little spray, so it helps it heal. On top of that, you should have your carp cradle, carp mat, obviously, and I always have a sling as well. And that's it really, guys. Just remember, carp care is just as important as everything else. So take the time to pay $5.99 or whatever it is for this, and just treat the carp with a bit of respect. So carp number 5. It's another pristine common from the pines. Coming at £15. This one's a real chunky sort of bar of gold. Really, really pleased. Here we go. Ready? Here we go. Here we go. That's £15. Well, just off. I think it's just off £15. That's number 5. So literally, I'm waiting for the bigger one to come, but it's not here yet. I've got another hour or so before I'm wrapping up. But you just don't want to leave when you're catching. You just don't want to go. Funny thing is, I've got 2 rigs. One's like on a Ronnie. One's standard hair rigs, both on helicopter systems, basically a couple of metres away from each other with the same bait. And the interesting thing is the Ronnie rig one is not moving, it's not doing anything. But the standard hair rig seems to be going, it's the 5th fish on the same rod, same spot. The other one beside it, not doing anything. So, yeah. Well pleased, Jace, come on here, take off your head. I've been here with my boy, so I'm quick to get us. Quick, Jace, get them together. Happy days. Over to you, big man. Put it back. Well, that's the end of our little pines adventure today. We've done 24 hours, well, 18 or so. We did 24 hours. Got here at 6 o'clock yesterday, and it's now come up to 10 o'clock. But 5 carp, ranging between 19 up to £14. And yeah, Jason had a few roads, didn't you, son?
Yeah.
And that's it. So as we stress, as anglers, the best thing you can do is when you go to a swim, is always leave with more rubbish than you come with. We can't stress enough. Sometimes we get a bit of a bad rap, that sometimes we're messy, or they're always trying to, Park Lakes are always trying to say that we cause problems with our leads and this, that, and the other. So what we can do is when we turn up to a park lake or any lake, spend time, clean the swim. If it's not your rubbish, just take it. So it keeps everything nice for the next angler. And then if we do our bit, the swims will be a lot better for everybody. So that's it really. Thanks for taking the time to watch a little video. Hopefully it's been a bit of an insight into Pines Lake, and that's it really. So tight lines to everyone, and thanks for watching. You think, Jace?
No.
No. God bless.